Today we will be creating a lava lamp. This lets us explore the different densities and chemical properties of liquids, as well as the chemical reaction between acids and bases.
Hello, my name is Yuritza. My major is biology here at Ridley College, and I am part of the STEM Ambassadors.
Hi, my name is Kaylyn Lopez. I'm a biology major and STEM ambassador here at Ridley College.
The materials you will need are a plastic or glass container, and oil such as vegetable or baby oil, fizzing tablets, water, and food coloring.
We are going to fill the container a quarter of the way with water. Now we are going to add oil until it is almost full. At this point, we have to wait a few minutes for the oil and water to separate.
Density is the amount of mass per a certain volume. Oil is less dense than water, and as a result, the oil rises above the water. In the same way, water is denser than oil, so it will stay at the bottom of the container.
Water and oil do not mix because of the electrical charge of the water molecules. A water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. These atoms create an uneven charge. This charge acts as a barrier, preventing the oil from mixing with the water, and instead the oil is pushed away. Now we are going to add a few drops of food coloring and wait for it to mix with the water at the bottom of the container.
Food coloring has a density similar to water, so this is why they mix. When the reaction begins, bubbles formed by the fizzing tablets will move to the top of the bottle since they are made of gas. The reason why our lava lamp works is because an acid-base reaction is occurring. The fizzing tablet will contain both citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, but they won't start reacting until they touch the water and dissolve. Once they start dissolving, they will react together and we will have 3 products: water, carbon dioxide, and trisodium citrate. The carbon dioxide will be in its gas form, which will be what creates the bubbles that float onto the top of the container. There are differences in the results of our trials for our lava lamp. The change in water and oil ratio created larger bubbles in the lava lamp
Versus trial 1, where you can see that the bubbles are much smaller.